asked my daughter, bring me something. Look at this. Look at flowers. The upya. And what is another one?
What?
Oh, push, you found. Oh my God, thank you so much. Pikan, look at that. Your nanay bring you my so much. Oh my goodness, thank you langga.
Welcome.
Cute. Thank you, thank you.
Here's your glasses.
Oh,
And downtown.
let's bring also, there's a light. Let's bring also the vegetables from RG. May pikan ikog mo. RG's place. This ampalaya leaves. Oh. Oh, ampalaya fruits. Fruits. Yeah, and what else?
And then, opo.
Upo. Ang gandang size ah. Anong shape niyan?
I don't know.
Ang cute. Thank you, RJ. Tell your mom and dad and tita. Thank you so much. For the,
Vegetable.
for the vegetables. Hi guys. Ngayon ay magluto na ako ng ampalaya. Itong dala ng anak ko kagabi. Kaya nahiwa ko na. Ngayon ay slice ko. Lahat na kailangan iluto. Ng mga sahog katulad ng ito ng kamatis, onions, garlic, and then itlog. Ito na-ready na ang lahat, kaya ito lagay ko ng pan para iinit ko na bago ilagay ang oil, cooking oil. Kaya initin natin muna yung oil bago ilagay yung mga sangkap katulad ng garlic, onions, tomato. Kaya dagdagan ko muna ang oil, cooking oil. Sabihin nyo oil ng anong klaseng oil. Ayun na, garlic, saute first. And after ng garlic ay kamatis at saka onions. Ayan, saute ulit for about 3 minutes. Kaya ito ang aming almusal ngayon. Ulam. Pag medyo na yung kamatis, nalagay na rin yung ampalaya. Kaya ito na, lagay ko na ang ampalaya at saka itlog. Malapit na maluto. Kunting na lang, minutos. Ayun, luto na. Ready na kami. Kain na. Hulog apples ko dyan. Ha? Hulog apples ko. We're here at the superstore. Eggs?
You want the Golden Valley one? Or
Ano gusto
do you
mo?
want the big pack?
No, the big pack na lang. Yeah. How much? At the price? butter. Kumuha ng butter kasi magbibake daw siya. Oh, tapos dito kami sa section ng mga dairy product. What's that?
$10.99
$10.99?
for how many of this?
It's not bad.
For 12.
Okay.
Actually, you want this one? This one?
There's no pandesal here, di ba? Naghanap ng pandesal? Ha. Tapos na kami. Magbabayad na kami.
section.
Pupunta kami sa self service counter. Ay, taho, may.
Ito ang taho.
Chocolates. So expensive. Yeah. Hershey's. Yeah. Kit Kat. You want something?
No, I'm done.
Hershey's pretzels, my. And this. No?
No. I don't like
Going to buy. Hindi pwede sa self? Magbabayad na kami, guys. At last. Natapos na rin. Sa kakaikot ng store. Matatapos na rin. Ayun. Malapit na. Dito na kami sa car. Nagsauli lang si Maymay ng cart. Shopping cart. Dito na siya. At the superstore, we got apples, salad, ano ba yun? Cereals, coconut oil. Oh, patay mo. Ano ba yun? Shower curtain, liner, jam, corned beef, 2 cans, syrup, banana, here's, ano ba yun? Butter, Ritz, biscuits, ano ba yun? Pancake powder, chocolate chips, brown sugar, I mean, baking pan. Oh, you put the eggs on the bottom. Oh my God, utakay mo. Hindi yan. Pasensya na, guys. So clumsy. Eggs. And then, Hershey's, Kit Kat, cantaloupe, grapes, and ano ba yun? Flour. Okay, that's it. And then it comes to, oh, may umbrella para kami. And then, my sando blouse. It's only $10. That's it. And you know what? How much is it? Hulaan nyo guys kung magkano ang inabot. It's $183.61. Oh my goodness. This is only what we got. And then it's 100. Almost 200. Okay. This is it. Oh, I forgot to include this. This is a pan. Our pan is already old, and then I can change. That's it. Again. What's your ingredients? Brown sugar, ano pa? Flour. What else? Butter. Ano pa ba? Chocolate chips. That's it. Wow, it's cooked now. Very cute, gali. May toothpick pa dyan. Daharan. Na-off mo rin ang ano?
Hindi pa.
This is the... Ano?
It's a blondie. Blondie.
Oh, blondie. Ang aranan? Blondie cake?
It's not a cake.
Ah, it's what? The bread?
It's a blondie.
The finished product. Here is it now. Ito si Pikan, nag-abang din ng niluto ng nanay niya. Busy siya. Si Pikan, busy man. Maya matulog na rin kami. It's late already. Wow, what a nice apron. Apron. It's Pikan. What a lovely. Okay. Tapos na ang cook.